Sales company Fruit Juice delivers pure vitality from nature's essence. Experience 100% pure juice crafted without additives for true natural nutrition. Every drop strengthens your body with antioxidants that boost your immune health. We preserve the authentic taste of fresh fruit through minimal processing. Each bottle captures the freshness and nutrients of nature at their peak. From orchard to glass, we protect purity every step of the way. Designed for consumers who seek both health and flavor in every sip. Sales Company's 100% pure fruit juice defines the new standard of wellness. Taste the difference where natural ingredients meet modern health science. With care and innovation, we bring wholesome fruit nutrition to your daily life. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us